Hey nurses, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial of a resource that you have access to called Handshake. Handshake is our campus's job search tool, has an online job board. There's a bunch of really great resources there. All students have access to it, and it's usually something that I introduce to the ACCEL orientation group when I come to visit. So I want to just kind of introduce it to you, show you how to get to it so that you're familiar with that resource if it's something that you'd like to take advantage of. So if you're on the UW-Oshkosh homepage, all you have to do is go to the Titan Services and hover over the drop-down menu, and you'll see Handshake here as one of the listed options. So go ahead and click that. It will take you to a login page. You'll be able to log in using your net ID. Once you get logged in, you'll come to the home page here. So here on the home page, you're going to find some information about jobs, employers, events, things that we have going on campus, but also opportunities that are available to you for job searching, and then also just some resources that you can use to supplement some of the activities that you might do in terms of job searching. One of the things that might happen when you first log in as a new user, you may have to go through what we call a career interest inventory. There's a few slides or a few pages where it asks you some information about what types of opportunities you might be looking for. What that does is it helps to customize your Handshake experience. So you'll put in some information, and then the things that you're going to see on this homepage will be customized based on the information that you put in there. If your interests change or the things that you're looking for change, you can always update that outcomes survey by going up to the top here, clicking on your name, and you'll see this career interest option there. You can also skip through it if you don't want to do it at that particular time, and you can come into the home page. Just know that the home page won't be quite as customized for you. So just something to think about there. Anyways, I wanted to expose this to you, give you some opportunity to learn a little bit about what's in here. We have the Career Center tile here. If you click on that, it will show you some information about UW-Oshkosh. I wanted to introduce this part to you. So here is where you can schedule some appointments with me if you're looking for an opportunity to do so. You just click that button, schedule a new appointment, and then some options will pop up with, it should be myself or other advisors that are available, and you can schedule appointments. If you put in healthcare, you'll see myself and I believe my Nia Zhang, another advisor in our office, who would be able to work with you. So that is how you schedule appointments there. And then also, if you're looking for opportunities, you can click on the Jobs tab. And of course, you're going to see a list of opportunities that pop up based on just some information that you probably have put in that interest inventory. But you certainly can filter. You can add different filtering options as you kind of go along here. So if you're looking for full-time, and we can put in registered nurse. You'll see some options that pop up here. You can obviously add in, city zip codes, some location information if that's something you're looking for. What I usually recommend to students also is the save search option here. So you put in your criteria, you save your search, and then what you'll be able to do is let Handshake do some of the work for you. And then what will happen is you can put some criteria in terms of how often you'd like to get some notifications. But Handshake will email you a list of job opportunities that meet your criteria, either daily or weekly, I believe, are the options. So certainly something that you can do, and you can put in, like I said, location information. So if you're not local to the Oshkosh area, you can certainly do some searching, in your home area as well. So definitely a really great resource for job searching. We also offer the opportunity for some resources. So if you're looking at some other things that might be a good assist to you, if you click in this Career Center tab up here, One of the things you'll see here is a resources sort of tile. You can go in there. There's some really great things in terms of additional software or licenses that UW-Oshkosh has purchased that you can utilize. One of those being Liquid Compass, and I'm going to do a short tutorial on Liquid Compass separately. But that's a really great resource if you're looking to move to a major metropolitan city in the United States. There's some great city guides. If you are looking for a way to practice your interviewing skills, there's a resource called Big Interview that allows you to do some practice and potentially get some feedback as well. So just some really nice resources that you have access to as well. And then also, if you're looking for events, if you're local to UW-Oshkosh, we will always have our job fairs or our career fairs listed. We'll have not only our local fairs, but any other UW system fairs as well. So if you're somewhere in the state that you want to connect to, you'll see those fairs or additional events that are virtual or different events that we're hosting. You'll be able to see those as well. If there's a specific company or organization that you're targeting and you can't make it to that particular fair, you can always reach out to them. Typically in the fair, you'll find some information about how to follow up with those organizations. So definitely some really great information about Handshake. There's definitely really good resources. The more you use it, the more customized it becomes. Handshake has some artificial intelligence built into it. And so like I mentioned, the more you use it, the more you click on things, the more you save things, the better that user experience will become for you. So just a quick tutorial on Handshake, something that hopefully you'll be able to use. It will also be something that I will reference again at the end of your program, where we will have you do what we call our first destination survey. And we'll have you sort of come in to the Career Center and you'll have a survey. You'll have this first destination link here where I'll direct you to take that survey to report what your first outcome will be at the end of the program. So enjoy Handshake, get a chance to kind of maybe wander around in there and get used to it. Thanks.